のでもそんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化するよもっともっと
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know this video has been very anticipated and I'm sorry it took so long, but I have been so busy it's not even funny. I'm sure you guys have heard, but obviously I've been going through a lot lately with school and just job and basically my whole life the last month or so. I filmed this, it's been about a month actually, it hasn't been that long, but still, I've actually had this video like already edited for like ever, but I never filmed like the intro or like the speaking parts of the video because I just haven't had the time. So I'm super excited that I'm going to be putting this out tonight. This video is going to be in two parts. The first part is going to be the renovations of my room, and the second part is going to be redecorating, and I am not completely done with the second part at all, so you guys just don't have to wait for that. As you can tell, actually it's a little sneak peek. I have some new furniture and stuff in here as well, but I'm by no means done with my room. I do give you a little room tour at the end of this video, but it is not the final complete idea. So right here, I'm going to give you guys a little mood board of things I really want my room to be like, my aesthetic, if you will, for my room. That is the ultimate goal. Whether I will reach that goal or not, who knows, but I'm working on it, that's for sure. If I seem really tired, I'm so sorry. I literally just got off of work, so I'm very exhausted. Anyways, sorry I had to have a drink break, but I've really been inspired to do a lot more YouTube content here, especially that I'm just working really hard right now on myself, and I feel like I finally have a little bit of time that I can use to make YouTube videos and content for you guys. I'm really trying to improve the quality of the content I post as well, hence the cool mic. So it's not as so it's better for you guys. But with this, I'm gonna get into the meat of the video. So the beginning of this video starts out with me downsizing my bed. So this is what my bed looked like before. I had a queen size. And well, I guess I didn't film after that, but I downsized it to a twin and it's super comfy. And then I have a bunch of b-roll of me going over what my room looked like before, and this is what it looked like before I got everything ready to put away. This absolutely took forever, I'm telling you. It took so long to put everything in those bags. I organized everything by category and what they were on my desk, so when I got everything back in my room, I know where they went, which helped a lot. It really, really helped a lot. And I have everything in bags as well, and boxes that as many as I had, and that's me. I didn't have to do my closet, thankfully, but I'm taking apart my computer desk and my PC and everything, and I put that away. And then the next day I had to put everything in my living room and in my mom's room, and then I started taking everything down off the walls because we are going to start painting the walls before we do the carpet. This process honestly took forever. It took me about an hour to get everything out of my room and off the walls because I just had so many push pins. And there's some footage of me having to sand down my paintings, which made me so sad because my paint was really light for my walls. So goodbye Kuromi, Cinnamon, Hello Kitty off my walls. I love them. But using the sander was super fun. And then I chose this really pretty lilac color for my room. It's adorable, right? And so that's an overview of my carpet. And I had to get everything out of my bed, and I had to move my furniture. I literally just realized my mic wasn't plugged in, but since I got done with my walls, I had to get all my furniture out, and that was a hassle, but I got it done. And my room is so big. My carpet was nasty. Just a FYI, that carpet's not nasty for me, that is for my brother. And this is my new carpet. I'm starting to get a lot of footage of like them doing it. It was a very stressful process, but I think my walls and the carpet just go so well together. Then I have my bed and my drawers in. My boyfriend helped me a lot getting everything in my room, getting everything situated. So this is it, kind of messy. It took a long time to organize everything I had. Like I'm telling you, it took me a week to get everything in my room organized, and it's still not where I want it to be, but it's definitely better than it was. So I'm just giving you guys a little overview of what it looks like. And then that's me, because I'm obviously a narcissist. That was a joke. A lot of these things I hung up on my wall before my mom was able to hang up my cute shelves, which made me kind of sad to wait for her to put those up. But in my next part, I will show you everything else I have done and put on my walls. A lot of my vines I lost for some reason. I don't know where they went, which made me kind of sad, but I put a lot on my ceiling, and that's my clothing rack. And yeah, I think it came out really good. It feels really good to have a lot more space in my room, that is definitely for sure. And I have a cute little fairy garden on my windowsill. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know a lot of you have really been anticipating this video. I've talked about it so much since I started doing it, and I'm so happy that I'm just finally getting it out for you guys. I've been wanting to put it out for so long, but I just haven't had the time at all. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. I know I've been really dead the last month or so, but I'm really trying to make more content because I really love doing YouTube, and I really do miss interacting with you guys, especially since I don't have social media anymore. YouTube's like my only way of communication with my followers and subscribers and stuff. So with that, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! Future me speaking, I'm sorry this video is so short. I promise part 2 will be much longer.